What is up, everybody? This is Michael here at Mountain Family Homestead. We're going to do another video. We're going to check in with you. Oh man, that is right. Get around here. There we go. We've been working on a few things here lately. Well, today actually. Since we had a nice day that we're going to do, we got some yard work done. We started on the yard part of it. As you can see behind me here, we took the tiller there, we tilled up all the ground. As we tilled up all the ground, where we had all the ducks in the yard from where it's been raining, where it will, oh, get out of us. So as I was saying, where we had all the ducks in the yard got real muddy, got real nasty. Where the ducks have been, where they've been pooping in the yard, and ducks poop a lot. And so we took the tiller and just tilled the ground about an inch. We take all that stuff and turn it down, take all the manure and all the compost and all the mud and all that stuff, and we're gonna let it sit. We're gonna start sowing grass here in about a couple weeks. Now, what we're gonna end up doing is I had to move the ducks out of the yard because it started to snow and we were expecting bad weather, but the bad weather never got here. It just made things more muddy. But we took the ducks and moved them up here with the goats. We'll show you that here in a minute, because we're ready to go feed some animals. Yep, back. Oh my Lord. Yes. Eat all of your fed. End up having you, Gordon.
Yes. Hey, don't throw food at me.
Sorry.
Would you think I was a farm animal?
Yeah.
Thought I was a farm animal.
Yeah. I hear you, dog.
A little redneck ingenuity.
A little bit.
See, that works pretty good. You guys are so dirty. Yo, chill.
Alright guys, I'm just going to update y'all on a couple things. We just got done feeding the goats and the ducks. It's up here now. We got to install some pools up here for the ducks. We haven't been able to get to that yet. But we're going to move our chicken coop, that is, down in the backyard. We've had so much trouble with all the rain and it getting swamped and muddy and all that good stuff. We're going to put it somewhere up here. We're not sure where yet. But as you can see, I've cleared a lot of it out, but there's still a lot of work to be done up here. But as you can see, it's all the way around. It's just mountains. Getting the boss lady in it, she didn't want me to. But it's basically mountain all the way up. It's on a hill. There's a lot of dead trees that I'm having to deal with, a lot of storm damage, old storm damage. But we've got a few things that we're going to do maybe up in here or over here where the trail meets, where all that brush is that needs to be dealt with. But that's the project we're going to get to in the hopefully soon to be near future. But with work and the weather, going from snow to rain to, it's nice today, short sleeves. Now I think it's supposed to set back into raining again next week. But we're thinking somewhere right in here for the chicken coop, because it comes up with our trail that will come up. Then you can walk right into the chicken coop, which all this brush is, we're going to deal with it, and there's going to be some stuff over here that's cleared out. And back here there's a real good grassy, weedy area that we're hoping to fence off for the goats and the chickens and stuff, to let them kind of free range and graze on all that and clean that up. Save me a lot of work. But that's kind of the update on that. We're working on the yard right now, trying to get it to where it's decent, to where we can sow some grass seed and not have mud all over the place from all the rain. We're going to keep you updated on that.